Hi, I'm Cassie, and this is Surprise Let's Play, and today we're going to be opening the Miniverse Make It Mini Foods Series 2 Cafe. So let's just get started. I have been so excited to see these Series 2 since I saw the leaks. These toys have resin with them, so definitely have some grown-up hands. All right, my apologies. I had my lights on the wrong setting, so hopefully this is a lot better on your guys' eyes. But we have the thank you from Have a Sunny Day, Happy Sun Farms. And then we have a Sunny Day from Happy Sun Farms. We have a utensil. And we also have a Keep It Cool pack from Happy Sun Farms. And this is actually our resin. So let's not ruin the fun and let's figure out what we have. So we have something that says chill out. So I'm gonna guess we have a drink. Okay, here we have some ice. So I definitely still think we have a drink. Oh wait, this is weird. Look at this ice. This is not like the normal Miniverse ice. Oh, I'm scared to use this. I have cats. Okay, so we have ice and we have a cup that says Sun Fizz Company. Cute. Well, and then utensils. We have a spoon. Okay. All right, and a straw. Here we go. Maybe the spoon is to spoon out the ice. All right, what else do we have in here? All right, here's our resin. Do not eat. And it's cherry, so Sun Fizz Co. We have a cherry drink. So let's grab our ice. Give it a good shake so we can hopefully not lose any pieces. Cut it up here. Oh gosh, this is scary. It's just like sand. Okay. Couldn't figure out which one I wanted to place it in. And then the straw. Oh, it just goes in there. And then just put the resin in, I guess. All right, so I'm gonna let this drip in here while we also go over the checklist so we can figure out who we have. I think we have this right here, cherry slushy. Oh, that's why the ice is the way it is. Okay. Oh, kitty. We have a kitty up here. It looks like I need to put more ice and slushy stuff in here. So let's try to still get the rest. Oh no, some fell. This isn't really coming out. There we go. All right, that's all I can get. All right, I don't know why it's not closing. Well, hopefully it will freeze or dry like that. So we have a slushie. I wouldn't say this is as high quality as the first series, because what is with this spoon? Like, I don't even need the spoon. Okay, so let's make our next one. Okay, let's see what we get. If we have a double, I'm gonna be super mad, so just so you all know. Because we got a double on our last item and that wasn't cool. Oh, look, it says chill out. And we have a double, that sucks. Well, let's check. Let's check the rest of these really quick. See if we have... Yep, here's the slushy ice. Chill out, put it back in there. Slushy ice. All right. Here is what we made, but it just won't close. I don't know why. I do not know why in the world it will not close, but it makes me really sad. So hopefully it will harden like this. All right, so that sucks that we got a double, but what I could do is make the second video right now. You guys will just have to click out of this one as soon as it's over and click on the new video for the Series 2 diner. I did get 3 balls of that. I will show you right now. So here's 1, 2, 3. So I didn't make the same mistake with the diner. And watch it all have different items. Like, I'm gonna be really mad. So my lifestyle, the 2 I got was doubles, and the mini cafe series 2 were doubles, and I only got 2 of them. So join me for the next episode of the Miniverse Make It Mini series 2 diner. Thank you so much for watching. Give this video a like, comment below, let me know your thoughts, and don't forget to hit that notification bell. All right, thank you guys. Bye.